viewers, welcome to Art and Cook channel. Today we will see how to prepare dosa batter.
Before that, please click on the red button to subscribe to Art and Cook channel and click on the bell icon to get the first notifications of our new videos.
Let's see the process. So firstly we need to take 4 glasses of dosa rice. So I have taken measurements in this glass. So I will take 4 glasses of dosa rice and wash it thoroughly. For this add 1 tablespoon of methi seeds of fenugreek seeds, half glass poha. Soak this mixture overnight. Now take urad dal of 1 glass in a separate bowl and wash it thoroughly and soak this for 4 or 5 hours. Now blend this mixture into fine and thick paste. The consistency should be like this. It should be fine paste as well as thick. Now take this in the bowl. Now blend the urad dal which we have soaked separately. This also we need to blend it fine paste and thick without adding any water. The texture should be in this way. Now mix this mixture in the rice batter. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it thoroughly. You can use your hands for getting fermented. Now close the lid and rest it overnight. Now you can see how the batter is being fermented. Now mix it well. Let's prepare dosa now.